what you reap. The devil only destroys, and the wicked...
How dare you? Ebuka, how dare you? Ebuka, what are you back and doing with my niece? And how dare you come into my compound? Now, get out. If you know the way you drove in, drive out.
Sir, please, we come in peace.
What? Ebuka, there is no peace between you and this family until you stop meddling in our affairs.
I have, Chineye. Amarachi told me how the case I instituted before I left Nigeria, how it was withdrawn. Though that is not the reason we are here. We do not have a problem with that. We are here because I want to say sorry. I want to apologize for all the wrong words I've used against you and Mr. Oguchi. I'm so sorry. Please find a place in your heart and forgive me.
What is this drama for? Tell me.
It's no drama, sir. It's a genuine peace move. Amarachi and I are in love with each other. And we want to do that in peace.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.